Imagine if the coldest place on Earth held the key to solving our global energy crisis. That's exactly what researchers have just uncovered in Antarctica, a vast new geothermal energy source that could power millions of homes. This isn't just some distant dream. It's happening right now and could transform how we generate electricity. Why does this matter? Because if successful, it could mean cheaper, cleaner energy for everyone, cutting our reliance on fossil fuels. But the real question is, can this icy discovery really change the world as we know it? We're about to dive deep into the science behind this groundbreaking find and explore its potential impact on our future. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat to produce power. This process relies on the natural warmth generated by radioactive decay of minerals deep within our planet. In Antarctica, this geothermal activity is particularly intriguing due to its vast ice sheets and unique tectonic settings. Consider Iceland, where over 85% of homes are heated using geothermal energy. Imagine a similar potential in Antarctica. The heat from the Earth's core travels up through layers of rock until it reaches hot spots near the surface. These hot spots can be harnessed by drilling wells into underground reservoirs of steam or hot water, which then drive turbines to generate electricity. In Antarctica, scientists have identified several promising geothermal sites along the West Antarctic Rift System, where tectonic activity is high. This hidden heat source could revolutionize global energy supplies if tapped effectively. The next step involves exploring how this energy can be sustainably extracted and distributed worldwide. Scientists estimate that this new renewable energy source discovered in Antarctica could generate an astounding 10 gigawatts of power annually. To put that into perspective, it's enough to supply electricity to over 7 million homes. The potential is immense because of the sheer scale and consistency of the resource. Consider how wind farms in Denmark already provide about 43% of their country's total energy needs. Imagine if we could harness a similar or even greater proportion from this Antarctic source. This discovery not only promises clean, sustainable power, but also represents a significant shift towards reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The transition to renewables like this one is critical for meeting global climate goals and mitigating the worst impacts of climate change. As we delve deeper into understanding how to tap into this resource effectively, it's clear that the future of energy might be far more promising than ever imagined. Next up, let's explore the technology behind harnessing this incredible power. Throughout history, major energy transitions have reshaped our world. Consider how coal replaced wood during the Industrial Revolution, driving unprecedented economic growth and urbanization. By 1850, coal accounted for over half of Britain's primary energy supply, fueling factories and railways that transformed society. More recently, oil emerged as a dominant force in the 20th century. In 1973, during the Arab oil embargo, global oil prices skyrocketed by 300%, highlighting our vulnerability to fossil fuel monopolies and sparking renewed interest in renewable energy sources. This newfound resource in Antarctica could be equally transformative. Imagine if we could harness this energy with the same revolutionary impact as coal or oil had in their time. The shift towards sustainable power could redefine how we live, work, and interact on a global scale. As we delve deeper into the specifics of this discovery, let's explore its potential to catalyze another profound transition in our energy landscape. Scientists have developed advanced drilling technologies to harness geothermal energy from Antarctica's unique geological formations. One key method involves using high-pressure water jets that can cut through ice and rock at incredible speeds. This technique is similar to what's used in the oil industry, but adapted for colder conditions. Consider how this technology has been refined over decades, with companies like Schlumberger leading innovation. The process also employs thermal drilling, which uses heat to melt through ice layers before reaching the geothermal reservoirs below. These methods not only reduce environmental impact, but also enhance efficiency. For instance, a pilot project in Iceland showed that thermal drilling can be up to 20% faster than conventional methods. As we delve deeper into these technologies, it becomes clear how they are paving the way for sustainable energy extraction on an unprecedented scale. The environmental benefits of this new energy source are truly remarkable. For one, it produces zero greenhouse gas emissions during operation, which is a stark contrast to traditional fossil fuels that release over 30 billion tons of CO2 annually worldwide. This means we could significantly reduce our carbon footprint just by transitioning to this renewable resource. Moreover, the process doesn't require vast tracts of land for installation like solar or wind farms do, minimizing habitat disruption. Consider how this could preserve critical ecosystems and biodiversity hotspots around the globe. With such a promising energy source, imagine the positive ripple effects on global air quality and wildlife conservation efforts. This breakthrough not only promises cleaner skies, but also opens up new possibilities for sustainable development in remote regions. As we delve deeper into its practical applications, it's clear that this discovery could be a game changer in our fight against climate change. This new energy source from Antarctica could be a game changer for global economies. Consider how renewable energy has already boosted growth. In 2019, the renewable sector employed over 11 million people worldwide. Imagine if this Antarctic resource created even more jobs and spurred investment. Take Germany's Energiewende policy, which aims to shift to renewables by 2050. It's projected to add billions to their GDP annually. With a similar approach globally, we could see unprecedented economic growth. This energy source isn't just about reducing carbon footprints. It's also about creating wealth and opportunity on a massive scale. By harnessing this power, countries can fuel innovation and create sustainable jobs, setting the stage for a prosperous future. As we explore how this resource impacts geopolitics next, let's keep in mind its potential to reshape our economies. Iceland stands as a shining example of how geothermal energy can be harnessed effectively even in cold climates. Over 85% of Iceland's primary energy use comes from renewable sources, with geothermal accounting for a significant portion. Consider their Hellisheidi power station, which is one of the largest geothermal plants in the world and provides both heating and electricity to Reykjavik. This plant alone supplies over 40% of the capital's total heat demand. The success here shows that with the right technology and infrastructure, cold regions can indeed tap into their natural resources for sustainable energy. Just like Iceland has transformed its energy landscape through geothermal power, Antarctica could potentially do the same with its newly discovered renewable sources, setting a new benchmark in global energy supply. Tapping into this new renewable energy source in Antarctica presents a host of logistical challenges. Consider that the continent is one of the harshest environments on Earth, with average temperatures dropping to -60 degrees Celsius during winter. Transporting equipment and personnel to such remote locations would be incredibly difficult, not to mention the extreme weather conditions that could delay or halt operations for months at a time. Environmental concerns are also significant. Antarctica is home to unique ecosystems and biodiversity, including penguins, seals, and various species of birds. Any industrial activity risks disrupting these delicate habitats. The International Panel on Climate Change has highlighted how even minor disturbances can have far-reaching impacts on the region's fragile ecosystem. Navigating these challenges will require innovative solutions and a commitment to preserving this pristine wilderness. As we move forward, it's clear that balancing energy needs with environmental protection will be crucial in unlocking Antarctica's potential as a new renewable energy source. The discovery of a new renewable energy source in Antarctica could spark significant policy changes worldwide. The Antarctic Treaty System, signed by 54 countries, currently bans any military activity and restricts commercial exploitation on the continent. However, as we look towards sustainable energy solutions, this treaty might need to be revisited. Consider how Norway's regulations have adapted for renewable resources. They've implemented strict environmental safeguards while still allowing extraction. Similar measures would likely be required here to ensure minimal ecological impact. International cooperation will be key. Take the European Union's Renewable Energy Directive as an example of effective policy coordination. This directive sets binding targets for member states, showing how global energy goals can drive regional policies. As we move forward, it's crucial that any new regulations balance economic benefits with environmental protection, ensuring a sustainable future for all. Imagine a world where 70% of our energy comes from renewable sources by 2050. With this new Antarctic discovery, that vision could become a reality much sooner than expected. Consider how solar and wind power have transformed global energy markets in just a few decades. This new source could follow a similar trajectory, but with even greater impact due to its consistent availability. Picture this: the world's largest economies investing billions into infrastructure to harness this Antarctic resource, potentially reducing our reliance on fossil fuels by up to 50% within 2 decades. Take China and India. For instance, both are rapidly expanding their renewable energy portfolios, and this new source could propel them towards carbon neutrality far ahead of schedule. As we look at the future prospects, it's clear that this discovery has the potential to reshape not just our energy supply, but also global geopolitics, making the world a more sustainable place. With these changes on the horizon, let's explore how international cooperation will be crucial in deploying and sharing this groundbreaking resource. The discovery of this new renewable energy source in Antarctica could be a game changer for global sustainability. With the potential to generate up to 10 gigawatts of power annually, it's comparable to the output of several nuclear power plants. This means we could significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which currently account for about 63% of global energy consumption. Consider how this could transform industries like transportation and manufacturing, making them cleaner and more sustainable. Moreover, if just 20% of current energy demand were met by this new source, it would result in a substantial reduction in carbon emissions, helping to meet the goals set out in the Paris Agreement. This breakthrough not only offers hope for combating climate change, but also opens up new avenues for technological innovation and economic growth. As we look ahead, the integration of this renewable resource into our energy mix could be pivotal in creating a more sustainable future for all. That's a wrap on our deep dive into this groundbreaking discovery in Antarctica. It's incredible to think that just one new renewable energy source could potentially meet up to 20% of global energy demand. Imagine if we could harness even a fraction of that potential. It would be a game changer for the world. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the icy landscapes and cutting-edge science. If you're as fascinated by renewable energy as we are, consider checking out some of the latest research papers or documentaries on the topic. They're packed with more details and insights that will surely blow your mind. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. If you're eager to dive deeper into renewable energy sources, especially geothermal energy from Antarctica, there are some fantastic resources available. The Antarctic Geological Drilling Program has published extensive reports on their findings. Check out their website for detailed studies and data. For instance, a recent report highlighted that the West Antarctic Rift System could generate up to 10 gigawatts of power. This is comparable to several large nuclear reactors combined. To explore more about renewable energy technologies, consider visiting sites like the International Renewable Energy Agency or reading books such as Renewable Energy: Power for a Sustainable Future by Godfrey Boyle. These resources offer comprehensive insights into global energy trends and technological advancements. If you're inspired to learn even more, head over to our links in the description below. There's so much more to uncover about how renewable energy could revolutionize our future.